To cast off all stitches with I-cord, we need to cast on 3 new stitches. 1, 2, and now I'm going to cast on the last one. 3. Okay, now we knit first 2 stitches, and then we knit together the last stitch and the stitch of neckline. 1, 2, and knit 2 stitches together. Move all 3 stitches to the left needle and repeat everything again. So knit the first one, the second one, then slip knitwise 1, 2, and knit them together through back loops. Move all stitches to the left needle and repeat everything again. 1, 2, and 2 stitches together. So we continue to work in such a way till the end. Now we need to cast off the last stitch. 1, 2, and 2 stitches together. Move all stitches to the left needle and knit first 2 stitches together like this, and then knit the last stitch. Then move 2 stitches to the left needle and knit them together. So now we have the edge casted off with the I-cord. Thank you, bye.